Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, today's video is going to be a special treat for Thor, our livestock guardian dog. Our good friends at Sunday's Dog Food sent us some food for him, and we're super excited to let him try this. This food is like no other that he's tried before. I'll give you some details on it, but you guys remember this code that is right here, and it can save you guys 35% on your purchase. So I'm going to give you a little bit of details about this food, and then we'll give it to Thor. Hey guys, once again, thank you for clicking on today's video. Today's video is brought to you by Sundaysfordogs.com. Sundaysfordogs.com, their food is vet formulated. Their founder, Dr. Tori Waxman, along with a team of food scientists and pet nutritionists, created Sundays to improve the health of all dogs, starting with their own. It is an all-natural, human-grade food. Many traditional kibble brands use feed-grade ingredients, synthetic nutrients, and artificial additives. At Sundays, they stick to a short list of human-grade meats, fruits, and vegetables to ensure your dogs are fed to a higher standard. It is shelf-stable. Unlike other human-grade dog food, Sundays is no fridge, no prep, no cleanup, no hassle. Just pour into a bowl and watch your pup devour it easy breezy. It is a drool-worthy taste. Picky eaters beware. Sundays beats traditional kibbles 39-0 in a third-party taste test. Try the Sundays challenge against your current dog food and let your pup decide what's for dinner. High protein. Sundays recipes are made from 90% high-quality meat. You'll always see premium proteins like all-natural chicken or USDA beef listed first on the ingredient panel, and it is nutrient dense. Because Sundays is air dried for 11 plus hours, their jerky style pieces maintain the maximum amount of nutrition from their high quality ingredients. And it's made right here in the USA in the Midwest. Sundays is proudly manufactured in the US in a USDA monitored kitchen. Subscribe and save. We want to make dog care simple. That's why they offer you an auto delivery program with 20% off repeat customers. You can see here how Sundays stacks up against their competition. It is clearly in a league of their own. Alrighty, well that's just a little bit. You guys can see this is a really good quality food. And they recommend do a half cup per 10 pounds weight. And Thor,
big boy,
he's a husky feller. So for some of you guys that don't know, that may be clicking on this video, Thor is our livestock guardian dog. He stays out here. We did have goats. He's not guarding our goats anymore, but we are fixing to get deer. And he does a really good job taking care of our chickens and keeping predators out of our chicken pen and turkey pen that we have in here. He has a large, you see a gate behind me, but he has a large area to run here. We don't have him pinned up in no little bitty area. He can run, just look at the side. I mean, it goes way around this, so he can run for days in here. But we're gonna, you want to let him choose? You want to let him sniff it and see which one he wants?
Come on. Yeah. Let's go.
You got sliming?
Don't get that on me.
Here's some of his animals he guards here. He does really good. He does not harm our chickens. He actually, for a dog, he does a really good job. They're his friends. Yeah. All right, Thorsky, what do you want, buddy?
We're gonna sit him down. Do you want the blue one or the yellow one? Which one do you want? Which one you want, Thor? With this one or this one? Which one? The blue? Okay.
Alrighty, well you guys saw Thorsky pick the blue bag. So we're going to open this up. And now it's really important that you give him the proper dosage. As we said, it's 1/2 cup per 10 pounds of weight of your dog. Thor is a big feller. So we're going to measure this out here. And if my calculations are correct, he should get about 8 scoops of this. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup here. So
you ready?
Is he ready? I think he can smell this stuff through the bag. Okay, here we go.
He's like, I know it's for me.
You want to get a good sniff of it?
You ready?
You want to smell it? Look at him licking the bag. He's like, give me some Sundays. Here you go, hold this. All right, oh, and this thing. All right, Thorsky.
You ready, Bubba?
You ready? You're such a good boy.
Waiting patiently.
You're such a good boy. Ready? Let's see what you think. Ready? There's one. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay. He doesn't do that with the other dog food.
He doesn't normally, no.
That should get him started right there. There's 4. We'll leave that in there, and we'll see how he likes it.
He's about got it gone.
Oh my gosh, he does already. He is a big husky feller. He does a great job here on the farm.
Okay, he loves it. It's official. He's like going to town.
Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not exaggerating. Before we shot this video, I came out here, I've been at work, I instructed him, don't feed Thor till I get home. Thor still had food left in his bowl, so I thought maybe Thor's not hungry.
He wants more, look at him.
Well, apparently Thor loves Sundays, so.
Give him the rest of it.
I'll give him a couple more scoops here.
He like licked it clean and then wanted more.
There we go.
All right. That's all you get, Bubs. Enjoy it.
That's crazy, ain't it? Such a big husky feller. I thought maybe he wasn't hungry because
he did have food left over from yesterday.
Yeah. So apparently
he likes this way better than what we buy him.
We're gonna have to get with our friends at Sundays and possibly see about getting some more dog food because this is crazy.
He like licked the bowl cleaner. There's like crumbs left and he's licking it.
That's wild. Now I should have videoed the pan before it and so you guys could see everything that was in it. Yeah. That's crazy. Of course, did you like it?
The bowl's empty.
Did you like it, buddy? Huh? Oh. Oh.
He's a big old teddy bear.
Good boy. Good boy. Look at right back to the balls.
He's like, do you give me any more? He's still licking it.
Alrighty, guys. Well, we'd like to thank our friends at SundaysForDogs.com for giving Thor this delicious dinner today. If you guys would like some Sundays, follow the link in the description below and use the discount code listed as well and save you guys some money on your first purchase. And yeah, I mean, look at him. He wants the rest of this, and it's crazy because his pan it still had quite a bit in it when I walked in here, and honestly I dumped it out so I could pour this in here, and I wasn't sure how it was going to go, to be honest with you, but it speaks for itself, honestly, because I thought, you know, no way he's hungry because his bowl's still full of food. But the thing is, it's not Sundays. Alrighty, guys, make sure you check out the link in the description below and get y'all's dogs some Sundays. Woo! Well, we have been working out here in the garden. You guys saw in our last video, I did wet that down to till that last part there. But this evening I'm going to my brother-in-law. Sorry about the wind. I know it's, even with this mic, it's probably sounding muffled. But I'm going to get the John Deere with the King Cutter tiller. And we're just going to make really quick work of this. Get it tilled up super good. But you can see we've been working. We worked this bed over. And we got a few tomato plants here. And we worked this bed over. And we got some tomato plants planted in here. The little tiller that we used in the raised garden beds ran out of gas, 2-stroke gas, so I got to get some more gas mixed up for it. But it's that time of year, guys, so we are super excited about this, getting this garden going. We love, love, love fresh vegetables. So yeah, next time you see us, hopefully I'll be on the tractor with the king cutter and tilling up some soil, and we'll get our okra and our corn and all that stuff planted. What are you guys doing here?
Making a mud puddle.
Making a mud puddle. Oh, you are making a mud puddle. Hey, don't shoot that and get it on my leg.
Don't get it on my legs. I only want it. Okay.
What are you doing? You show them how you slide? It went from winter to summer overnight. Broke out the baby pool. Ready? I'll help you. Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Woo! Yay! Is that fun? Is it cold? Hey, Hudson, is it cold? Woo! What's that face? Come on, and go again. Are you frozen? Can you move? Huh? There we go. And go again. And go slide. Your pants are falling off. Alright, we got the tomato boxes done. We've got 6 in each, so 12 so far. These ones are little bitty, so we're gonna have to really take care of these. And then we have some bigger ones over here. Okay, that one is a Jetstar. And then we have some celebrities. So that one we still need to clean out some, and we put Miracle Grow in both of these, so we need to do that one still. And I think we're gonna do like peppers, jalapenos, probably some bell peppers, some cilantro, and stuff like that, because I want to do another salsa garden. So yeah, not too bad. We cleaned up around the boxes, got it all raked around and whatnot. So tomorrow's goal is to get this tilled up tonight, and then tomorrow hopefully start planting some. We've got 3 rows of potatoes so far that are already coming up, and then we'll do some cucumber and squash, okra, corn, and then I want to do some sunflowers down there too. So yep, spring is here. So everything's green, the trees are green. Our red bud is starting to turn green now. But spring is here, so pretty and warm. I think it was 80 degrees today, so the kids have been playing in the water.
Well, hello everybody. It has been a busy weekend of baseball. I was able to till the garden yesterday evening, which I did not get. It was actually, no, it was yesterday morning before we left for baseball. I came out here and tilled the garden, and so it was crazy. I tilled it. Of course, I was in a tractor, but like I didn't have a shirt on, and then so I put a t-shirt on and a pair of shorts to head to the ball fields, because I'm figuring, hey, this is going to be some nice weather. Well, a cold front came in that I did not know about, and we all froze to death. But the garden looks good. My mom actually planted 4 rows of cucumbers, she said, or three rows of cucumbers, sorry. So we got potato, cucumber. So now this next spot here, we will probably do a big batch of okra coming through here, and then on this end here we will put some different pods of squash. So she's also wanting me to widen this garden out a little bit out here and come all the way down and do more corn. We normally do corn right here on this bottom spot, but I don't feel like, we've done like 6 rows last year, but I don't feel like that's enough for it to grow like we need it to grow. So we're going to try to, I think, widen it out, getting to our area that we play in the summertime and stuff like that. We're going to take a little bit of that out to provide the vegetables for our family. So yeah, it's turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful evening. But I just wanted to share with you guys how the garden's coming here at the end of this video. It's coming along good. We're going to do some watering tonight, and the turkey eggs are looking good. I've been going and rolling those, and yeah, everything's going good here on the homestead. And once again, if you guys are interested in some dog food from Sundaysfordogs.com, follow the link, check it out, save you guys 35% by using that discount code. But yes, Thor absolutely loves it. When they say do the taste test, we should have done it, because Thor has never just continually ate like that. When we've been inside the pen, he's always, you know, wanting to run around, hang out and play, and do all that stuff. But when we put that Sunday's dog food in, he loved it. So go check them out, and I think you guys will be very pleased. That's all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank you guys so much again for watching, clicking on this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Thanks for watching. God bless.